The common theme that I have been hearing the last couple of weeks in many of the conversations that I have had with people is that they're struggling with lack of connection with friends or family. And that very often looks like they're struggling to maintain quality friendships, find quality friendships, or sometimes their significant other has um, some objections. Now, these are totally separate things, but it all does revolve around quality connections with other people. And I thought I'd share a few things that I have found about having those quality connections. So, science backed benefits of having quality connections: you are physically healthier, you are happier. Friendships cause you to live longer, or there's a connection between longevity and having quality friendships. Um, Quality friendships are linked to financial success. It improves your mental health. You feel safer. There's like all of these really important and beneficial things to having quality connections. And if that is something that you struggle with for whatever reason, that's something I would love to talk to you about. I'd love to help in any way that I can. Um, Kind of looking at potentially a retreat that may address some of this, because if we're being really honest, a lot of us women are people pleasers. We're recovering people pleasers. And I find that a lot of times this is something that's connected to being a recovering people pleaser and difficulty finding the quality friendships and relationships that you need. Um, as well as when maybe you put your own connections on the back burner in favor of your significant others. So these things are all connected, and definitely something that I would love to talk with you about. And if not me, someone else, find someone, because this is something that can be overcome. It is not impossible to do this even later in life. I know my journey started about 3 years ago, where I was trying to rebuild an entire social network, uh, mostly from scratch. But there's some ins and outs there. Anyway, if this is something you'd like to talk about, reach out.